Hello, I'm a soybean.
And I'm a corn kernel.
I have pesticide in every cell.
And I have pesticide in every cell.
And because of that, if a bug bites me, his stomach explodes.
Me too. You know, we have a lot in common, aside from being highly toxic, of course. However, we corns are the biggest crop on the planet. We feed billions of cows and pigs and chickens.
Well, I'm the second biggest crop, and soy is also fed to billions of the same creatures.
Say, do you suppose a human stomach would explode if they ate too much of us?
Not a chance. Humans are too big. Even if they eat meat and get a concentrated dose of our pesticides, it's not enough to kill them quickly. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately? Sounds as if you don't like humans. Bit of a misanthrope, hmm?
Perhaps. Can't say as I care for them much.
Well, me neither. Messy creatures, and that, my dear fellow, is being very kind.
Quite right. I have heard through the grapevine that the pesticide in us sort of screws up the bacteria in a person's guts, and humans eating a diet derived from soy and corn slowly get sicker and sicker with strange diseases and digestive-related illnesses. I've even heard that our pesticide in their GI tract has resulted in the creation of a whole new life form munching away at their guts. Scientists don't know what it is. Not bacteria, not a fungus, possibly a prion, but they just can't identify it.
Well, that's nice. I feel positively creative.
But wait, there's more. Human fertility rates have dropped 30% in the last 5 years, alone.
We seem to be a gosh darn population control device.
Seems that way. Pigs and cows are even having trouble delivering live babies after growing up eating us. By the way, did you know that a cubic foot of soil, you know the stuff we grow up in, is composed of 100 million living organisms?
I did know that, actually, and I'm quite concerned that if we kill off the big bugs eating us, then the little bugs which depend on each other will die as well. I believe that would be the death of the soil itself, right or wrong?
Quite right. The soil is dying because the pesticide is disrupting the natural symbiotic relationship of every living organism. We won't have a good place to put down roots, you know. I really don't know why we call them human.
What would you call them then?
I don't know. Bacteria bag comes to mind. Human cells are 90% bacteria, and at the most 10% uniquely human. They are, in fact, big wet bags of bacteria, equipped with legs, making them able to go out and find food to feed their bacteria masters. Not much more. They even think that GE stands for genetic engineering, but in truth it stands for genetic extermination.
Ha! That is lovely. Poetic in a way. I, for one, would be thrilled to see the last of that species. How about good old genetically modified, or GM as they call it?
Oh, that's easy. In actual fact, that's genocide management.
Mama, I'm afraid. Are we genetically modified too?
No, my little peanut, not yet.